Keeping track of what is going on with your projects is very easy with Twona AMS. The system has some visual notifications that appear on the screen when changes take place. For instance, if a project gets assigned to a new user, a little yellow icon pops up with the figure of a person. When tags are added to a project name, a pink badge appears, showing the extra tags icon. If the tags are removed, you will see an orange icon with scissors in it. As a project moves the status, then you will see a red traffic light popping up. Finally, when you add a new project to the system, a little blue badge will appear. The visual notifications disappear after other changes take place, or they are no longer a new activity. If you want them to disappear after you have seen them, just click them away. Quite nice and simple, right? Cheers, and have a good day!